The Army has charged us with the idea that they want to be able to show up at a site, dig up the dirt, and then print the infrastructure items that they need. And the 3D printing allows the flexibility for that. So one day they can print culverts, the next day if they need retaining walls, they print retaining walls. My group is in charge of tools and methods that characterize the local soils, create concrete mix designs with them, 3D print them, and then test the concrete strength to make sure that once they're placed into service that they're going to perform like we expect.
I basically am cooking. I create different proportions of a mix design, different proportions of cement, add mixtures and soils. Test this material doesn't behave like a traditional concrete.
We need it to be able to extrude out of the nozzle and also stand and be able to be built upon as we go up layer by layer. Very different than conventional concrete. We're trying to take soils, which we don't normally put a lot of dirt in our concrete. We'll up the water dosage and then we'll be good.
This printer right here is our larger printer. It has a 15-foot print radius. The entire printer will fit onto a truck. We're setting up the pump, making sure that the material is depositing correctly into the nozzle, and then we're executing the program and monitoring it as the program continues to run.
Once it's kind of forms this ice cream in his hand, swirl, then we're going to squeeze it through, make sure consistency's good, and then we're ready to start printing.
What we're doing is to create a software that can translate the designs into the machine instructions that the printer can execute. Differences between printing with concrete versus printing with plastic. Concrete has a lot more mass and inertia. Once started, it can't be easily stopped. So that's a very hard mathematical problem.
The exciting part for me is kind of thinking about what this enables us to do in remote locations. We don't have to have high quality aggregates. We don't have to have a quarry. We can actually use materials there. It opens up a lot of doors if we wanted to even think about going to the moon or Mars. There's a lot of things that are on the horizon in the future that are really exciting about this kind of work.